kogeza ima. Amabulende twamanyire kogeza ama. Amabulende twamanyire kogeza ama. Amabulende. Igase nabo twagatengire jakera abantu kogeza baneri ragero ryoka abantu bakoragera no mugoko kwonse ekera bagukogeza bino bo twagesire gatwagokire. Hello, what's up guys? Thank you for coming back here again. Whoever is new here, I am Grace Kerry Mission on my YouTube channel. I thank everyone. This Christmas here we are heading to holiday like a Christmas. Merry Christmas outside there. Otherwise it's another kind of time here that we have come chilling outside here. Otherwise in the village here you can see me carrying a kikapu, actually a basket, as you know. You can see here, this is our garden here. We have some matoke there, we have some matoke here, and you can see some maize plantation here. So actually I've come here just to, and I have a knife. I have come to see if the corn is ready so that I can go. And from the morning I have not eaten, that's why you can let's come. Hope you enjoyed this video here, and give the video a like, share to your friends, and if you are new here, consider subscribing, and that's a better way of supporting me, your girl here from the village. Leave some comments down there if this is how your girl maybe at the village here looks like this. There are some people outside there maybe who don't know how we do, like when corn is ready here, like those people who are like at town. They don't know, even they have never gone even to the garden to dig and plant some corn as you see here. You can see here it is not there because it's like a road. Maybe someone passed this house here and they keep on biting. Let's come and move on. You can see here, you can see actually how this one is very soft. This is how we usually see whether it is ready to go and cook. And actually you can have it like sugar cane. Sometimes you can have it like sugar cane. It is very sweet. Leave some comments down there if you have ever tasted the sugar cane from maize corn. Actually it is very sweet, as you can see here. It is like sugar cane, but this one is not that sweet, but it has a sweet juice. You go and taste it outside there if you get the corn at least. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Give the video a like and share it. If you have ever tasted the sweet sugar cane from the corn, that is it. So let's come on and do what has exactly brought us here. Okay, yeah, man, you didn't know the command at all. want to scare me. Actually now this is how we are cut it. You can see how we are cut it here. And now we are going at least to carry them home so that we're gonna remove the skin, and then now we shall do some cooking. Here in the village, people are very much amazed when you get some fresh corn from the garden here, and you will go and cook very fresh without even like after we don't go for shopping for this corn here. This is the goodness of the village. We don't buy anything. You can see even they have it. It's like a mixture of farming. You can see even the bananas are here. The matok here from Kisii. Actually, I'm talking live from Kisii here. Nyamira County here. It's just a few kilometers to the town. I can even walk and go and do a little bit of shopping from our town here. And it is like sunset now. You can see the sun is there. It wanted to rain, but it didn't rain. You can see how it is. That is the sunset. And you can see some wires. It's the post of the electricity that you can see. The post is here. There are some people who have left their houses there. Others, no one is staying there. They have bought the plots and they are for building some houses here. As you can see, it's a kind of lovely time here. Otherwise, you can't find people at the village here because others have gone for shopping, like those ones who have some money. But today, to my side, I'm just celebrating the corn, fresh corn from our garden here, and that is it. This is how we got them. This is the village here, the village life. That's how it is hard. Sometimes it is good, sometimes it is very hard. You have to struggle in everything so that in the days coming, like tomorrow, you will be someone who is very strong and you won't feel hungry when you have corn on your plot or on your garden. That is it. Hello, here we are again. You can see we have reached here. So this is how the village corn is. It is very white here, and that is it. Very lovely here. After these ones, after we have done with the leaves, we are going to give to the goats, and we don't have cows here. It's very scarce because it is expensive to have a cow. You have to plant some neighbor grass, and you have to be strong because you have to be flexible having some cows here at the village. So here we go. You can see there are some doodles. If you don't treat your maize now, your corn nicely, this is what you will at least find. The goat wants to celebrate. The goat wants to celebrate with me. This is right. It was just like it is hungry. That is it. It's like it has not eaten since morning. That's why you can see it like that. What's up? This is it. We have finished the jumping. Oh, Jesus Christ! And this is what we have at least harvested from here, as you can see. You know, this is the second harvest because we usually harvest at which month? July and August, but now this is the second. That's why you see them very small like that. they call them oponi in our native language. You can leave some comments here if that is how you call your corn. In our native language, we call it oponi. Oponi means those ones which are being planted in a half year. At the end of the year, that's what we call it, oponi. You can see from the side, they are very short. That's why they call them oponi. And now I wanna call this one here so that they are going to cover when we are going at least to boil these ones, and then we shall cover the sufuria, the saucepan, with these leaves here. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Leave some comments if this is how you do at your village. This is how you harvest your corn here. And we have harvested a lot. We are a very large family. That's why you can see it is a heap of baskets here. The desserts. Leave some comments down there if that is how your village looks like. This one here, you harvested some corn here. Come here and visit me here so that at this holiday we can choma mahindi, choma. Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming back again and again. Ciao, bye. Mavulende twamanyire kageza ma mavulende twamanyire kageza mavulende twamanyire kageza ma mavulende ligere ligesa lya lero ligesa lya lero unatoka kageza aiga gusiya ito igatoka kageza. Thank you so much. Actually, that is now the sunset. It has come out because it has been like you can see the clouds. We are expecting some rain before Christmas. That's what we believe here at the village. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Ciao, bye.